What's up, guys? It's your boy back at you with another video. You get me? It's tomorrow, the next day. It's early morning. Ugh. Let some light in this mother. This is nice for once being able to record with actual natural light instead of this spotlight. You get me? Basically, I've got a few orders going out now from yesterday. It's not a lot, but I'm fucking basically struggling along. This month, like I said in the last video, is going to be a bit of a struggle because, well, as of this moment right now, there's like £34 in the eBay account. I should have had a few hundred, but I've been going ham with trainers at like £40-50 a pop. I'm 4 trainers deep. So that's like 2 bills gone this month of profit, just straight on trainers, you get me? So that's how I'm doing it. I'm just sinking it all in. It's a gambling thing, you get me? And like, in these early days, it's very easy to use all your money. So I'm hoping by next month, the month after, I'll start to accumulate something, you get me? But anyway, guys, I got a pair of trainers in this morning. Woke me up, you know, the post office man, whatever he's called, postman, knocking on my door, you get me, like feds. Got me running down this mother, you get me? But anyway, let me turn the camera around. I'll show you the trainers I got. So this is what we got. Basically, some Air Force One. I can't say limited edition, but they're a rare colorway. I think they're like Air Force One dual, because this is like a dual night tick, you get me? But basically they're swaggery, you know what I mean? It's just an Air Force One, solid yellow. You know what I said about those base colorways? White, all yellow, all something, just the base colorways, no in-betweens. This is pretty cool. It's a good basic shoe, you get me? The box is in good condition, size 11, get me? I'm trying to get between size 9 and size 11, get me? It's got this cool paper, the other shoes in here. But what I thought was funny, guys, is it comes with a freaking toothbrush since 1982 and that, you get me? So I thought that was funny. So yeah, I've got to get these listed now. So I got these for 50, you get me? Free shipping, so just a straight fitty. Usually have to pay a £5 shipping on these websites, but this site I got this off, get me, was Foot Soul or Foot Joy or something like that, you get me? No special sites here, guys, I'll just be hunting. So I'm excited to get these, and hopefully we can get them out. The only one problem is with this trainer game I'm trying to get into, guys, is like, honestly, you can get stuck with trainers sometimes for so long. And I'm hoping I've made good picks, but I'm just going to find out the hard way. If things are taking too long to sell, well, I'll pick up these slow trainer sales with my used items, some of my hard goods and stuff. So the problem is, at the minute, guys, there's nowhere for me to source because I've got no car at the minute. Well, I have, but it's just got a bit of work on it before I can like drive it legally, you know. So I've got to sort my car out, you know what I mean? So it's a bit of a madness at the minute. So this is why I'm buying trainers, because I can just get them off my phone, and while I'm at work I can just find a bargain and order them. But from experience, I don't think this is the fastest way to make money. It's the coolest way to make money, selling Nikes and that, you get me? But every teenager wants to sell trainers. Everyone would like to be involved in the trainer game, and I think that's all it is. It's a bit of a facade for me to sell some trainers, have some fun with it in these early days, and hopefully we'll be able to like get things going off the trainers. But I'm a little bit doubtful, to be honest with you guys, and I'm a bit nervous to be selling trainers again, because all my experience in trainers hasn't been good. It's mainly because of the speed it sells and my lack of discipline to retain money. But I feel like with this newfound discipline and my newfound job, I'm hoping my ability to retain money is good. So it doesn't really matter too much on the sell through speed, but it also matters as well because I ain't looking to be in slavery forever. So I've got kind of 0 to 3 months to have a go at this trainer game and see how it goes, and if not, we'll be scrapping it and I'll be walking to charity shops, you get me? I'm still visiting a few charity shops, but like I said, guys, I can't be arsed walking to the charity shops right now when I'm working the rest of the week, you get me? So it's a little bit like I'm stuck right now. I can get to charity shops, but it just takes a bit of effort. I might have to lick a train, might have to walk, might have to, you know what I mean? So But other than that, guys, that's basically it for today's video. I've got to go do some parcels now. I've got like, I don't know. Basically, I'll film the pile, or whilst I get everything out, I'll do a little clip, and then we'll... Alright guys, just quickly show you some of the parcels. Most of this is, well, all of this is my girlfriend's books actually, so she's done alright. Hit me a bunch of books. We're trying to stop selling books, but they're still selling, so I feel like once things pick up, we'll probably sell books again. Get me? Huh? Yeah, the books was, yeah, it was a trial and error phase, but it's turned out to be good, and you can get books for free, so, but we've got loads of them. So these were some Dr. Martens in there anyway, so I've got one pair of Dr. Martens going out. I'll pop them up on screen actually. I'll get like a little print screen in it. Basically I sold them for like 22 something pound and I paid 8 for them, so that wasn't bad. They're a bit scuffed up, but it's Dr. Martens in it. They're a cool style. So yeah guys, I got some other stuff, but like I've got 3-day shipping on at the minute. Let me turn the camera on. So I've got like 3-day shipping on at the minute, basically. So when things sell, I've got 3 days. So some of the stuff that sells today don't have to go today, and that's been good because it allows me to just stagger things. And like, to be fair, when I'm at work, it will give my partner something to do as well in the early days, and then when things pick up, she'll be begging me for help. Alright guys, we just got another parcel. You get me? Just got another parcel, 2 more pairs of trainers. Let me open this light, open the window. Guys, I weren't supposed to get this in this video, but we got them. 2 more pairs of trainers, so we'll quickly unbox these right now. Well, I don't know how to... I want to use this bag, so I'm going to try and open it nicely. One sec, I'll prop the camera up. Get me, we'll prop the camera here. And then... if the camera's propped like that, then I can open it basically. Yeah. I just want to, I'm basically trying to reuse as much packaging as possible, as well as these shoe boxes in here. Get me? Oh, they sent them just in the box. Well, I don't mind them sending them in just the box as long as the box don't come mash up. Because I've had trainers come before and the boxes like collapse. Get me? So long as the boxes ain't collapsed, I'm not bothered. Let's get these out. Alright, so basically these are the 2 trainers we've got. I'm just gonna move this ironing board out a bit. Bloody packaging, you get me? Right, so we've got 2 pairs of Nikes here. First one being a Dunk Low 11.5. Get me? Let's make sure my hands are clean before I touch these. So these was just a night dunk. I got these for 50. Size 10.5. Like I say, same again, base colorway. It's just a white kick, you get me, with... This is a red, by the way. It's a picante red, you get me, but it looks like an orange, you know what I mean? So we got these dunks. Pretty cool actually. See, all these trainers are my size. I could wear these, you get me, but we're not gonna. We're gonna resist, and we're gonna make some money. So that's one pair, 10.5. You guys are interested? You know what to do. Check out my eBay store, or just drop me a message or a comment, or something. Let's find a way for you to give me the money and you can have them. Basically, I've got these listed right now on eBay for maybe 100 and I think it's like £101 I've got them listed for. Got them listed on Depop for 110. My Depop price is a little bit higher. Only a little bit though. People be taking the piss with prices on Depop and that. But I'm trying to keep my prices realistic. You get me? So I'll just add a little bit on because Depop's less populated basically, with there's not as much listed on there, so that's basically why you can price a little bit higher, I guess. But most people probably be price comparing anyway. So these are a size 9. What are these? Oh, these are Air Pennies. Air Penny 2. These are a badass sneaker, but the problem is some of these ultra cool trainers like this are hard to sell because no one really knows about them, you know what I mean? So I'm hoping I can get rid of these. They had half decent price comps, you know what I mean? So this is the Air Penny. This is the first time I've seen these. I had some Air Griffies when I was a kid. I used to collect trainers in a way. It wasn't like I was like getting mad rare trainers, but I had a few rare pairs by accident. I had these Night Dunks Ron Burgundies back in the day, and I literally gave them to my cousin to skate the shit out of, and he ripped a hole all up in the side and that. And now them Ron Burgundies are worth loads of money. You get me? I had a few Dunks, and I had like, I just used to buy random trainers. I'd see like my favourite rappers and singers in them and shit. Chris Brown used to wear bare trainers, and I used to just see what he wore and I'd buy that shit. So these are sick, you get me? Size 9, you know what I mean? Anyone interested, hit me up. So I paid $55 for these, and I'm hoping to get... Chance, stop screaming, you sound like an elk. I'm hoping to get about one... If I can get like 110, 115 out of them. I can't remember what I'm listing them at. Yeah, me, but it's about there. You know what I mean? But obviously, whatever I list, I make sure I'm the cheapest. Yeah, me. So whatever shoes you guys get off me or whatever you buy off my eBay account, I should be the cheapest unless someone's come and undercut me. In which you can always say, yo, this guy's cheaper, and I'll do my best to be cheaper unless they've just done an idiot thing and priced their shoes at $5. Then I can't do better than that. But you know what I'm saying? For the most part, I do my best to do better than anyone else's price. You get me? And if I can't, then I can't. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much the trainers that I was waiting for now. So I've got all 4 pairs. You get me? And hopefully these begin to sell. It's only 4 pairs of shoes, so it's not like they're all going to sell overnight, but over the next 3 to 6 months they'll go. And then I'm just going to slowly get more trainers and slowly keep reselling, and let's make this room right here, this little crack den, into a proper I want a proper warehouse, you know, like with trainers stacked up to the ceiling. I got my J's here, some Nikes down there. I just want it to be a proper madness. There's a few YouTubers I watch and they've got like proper facilities, and it's like, that's the dream basically. Have a lot of trainers, make a lot of money, chill out all day. I got my gaming channel as well, guys, so I'll be doing gaming videos in the office, run over to the fucking shipping area, do my parcels, back to the gaming area, family time, and that's good. That's the perfect life. So other than that, guys, I appreciate everyone. Subscribe to the channel, you get me. It's probably the second time I've said this, you get me. And we out. I'll see you all in the next one.